game preview. 20 seconds. Ready, Ace Audio, ready to come up on the preseason open on A. Here we go. We capturing? Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll track, fade up.
Coming up tonight on UGA Newsource, I'll break down the healthcare bill and let you know how students are benefiting from it.
Some students are upset about who's going to be affected
dissolve
by
one.
tuition increases. I'll tell
Dissolve
you who.
3 and we'll
Will
cue them.
this weather ever make up its mind? Find out how you can get free year pie. Coming up next on UGA Newsource.
The University of Georgia. More than 30,000 students, award-winning professors, groundbreaking research, world-class music, arts, and cultural programs, unparalleled community service. And now, a Grady College-produced news program devoted exclusively to the University of Georgia. This is UGA
Dissolve
Newsource.
1 and dissolve 3, cue.
Find out exactly who is going to be affected by
Ready, camera
possible
2 on
upcoming
anchor 1.
tuition hikes. Good evening, I'm Laura Seal.
And find out what the healthcare bill means for students. I'm Anna Cohn.
Take 2, cue.
The Senate passed the healthcare bill last night, but healthcare wasn't the only thing on the agenda. UGA Newsource's Maggie Sims joins us in the newsroom to tell us more.
Take Maggie.
Maggie, what did they think?
Cue.
Well, Laura, most students actually didn't know what the bill entailed.
Ready,
so
animate keynote.
What actually will happen right away is that there will be no more annual or lifetime caps, which means if you buy a policy, the company can't place a cap on how much it will cover. Especially important for those with illnesses who face high medical bills, and help for the uninsured, which about 32 million people will get insurance. Also, there will be coverage for kids until they are 26 years old, which would be great for graduate students without jobs or if
Don't change it yet, but ready to change.
Also, there will be a
We're going to
drug
2014
discount for seniors.
And change
what
it.
will happen in 2014 is that the health
package on A.
insurance exchanges, which will be created to make it easier for small businesses, self-employed, and the unemployed to buy less expensive coverage. Also, there will be mandated coverage, which you'll be required to buy insurance coverage in 2014, or you'll face a fine of $95 or 1% of your income. And in 2015 and 16, it will raise if you haven't bought it yet. There will be a Medicaid expansion, which will include
so ready to
more
go to package
Americans,
on A.
also childless
We know how long
adults living
that
near
is.
poverty. Also, there will be tax breaks for families.
Roll, track, take.
The bill is passed.
118.
After a long debate, the House of Representatives passed the new health care bill last night, 219 to 216.
I feel that this is going to change the way
About
Americans
10 seconds.
think about healthcare overall.
Ready to come back to Maggie with her lower third.
Students' concerns can definitely come into play with voting in the next coming weeks.
And take Maggie, cue.
President Obama will be signing the bill into law tomorrow, but it still has to go back to the Senate because of the changes that the House made and that they
Ready, camera 2. Whose mic is that? Take 2, cue.
Thanks, Maggie. We'll be sure to give you all of the up-to-date information on the bill as we receive it.
Take 1, cue.
If you're thinking about dropping a course this semester, be sure to do it before tomorrow night.
Ready, lower third. Oasis, lower third.
Students who choose to withdraw will receive either a WP or a WF for the course. A WF factors the same into your GPA as a failing grade would. To withdraw from a course, visit your Oasis account at www.oasisweb.uga.edu.
Lose it. Cue.
Rumors have been swirling around the possibility of tuition increases.
Ready, package on A.
Priya Abraham tells us who is safe and who isn't.
Roll, track, take.
If you're a freshman, or if you're going to be a 5th, 6th, or if you have the Hope Scholarship, it will continue to pay any increases in tuition. Increased fall tuition rates will be available on June 1st.
Ready to go back to
UGA Newsource, Priya Abraham.
And take 1, cue.
If you have any concerns or comments about tuition increases,
ready, camera 3 on anchor 1 in sports.
Yep,
thank you. And take 2, cue.
On a more positive note,
ready,
the
UGA
Athletic Association is doing pretty well. The ladies basketball team is in Tempe, Arizona for the NCAA tournament.
Take
so
3.
Matt, how are the Lady Dogs doing?
Ready, 2 on sports.
Well,
yep,
they
thank
won
you.
their first game, and now they'll be looking to advance to the Sweet 16 tonight when they take on Oklahoma State.
Take 2.
Earlier today, I talked with UGA Newsource's Renee Watley. Renee is a cheerleader for the University of Georgia.
Great.
And in between games and practices, she found some time to do a little reporting for us.
Roll, track,
Renee,
take.
What's going on there in Tempe? How are the Lady Dogs doing so far?
You don't take it until I say take because it's roll, track,
They're doing
take,
really well, Matt. We've had a great 3-4 days out here. The team's done a really great job.
Enjoy that 85-degree
Ready to go back to 2.
We'll let you get back to the pool.
We go. Y'all have a good week.
All right. Thanks, Renee.
All right, take 2. Q.
And I'll have a little bit more.
Ready, 3 on the 2-shot. And take 3. Music, please.
And coming up after the break, find
Music.
out. Well, you may be lying by the pool one day and wearing your winter coat the next.
Anna.
And find out where you can find animal fur,
Ready to fade to black.
silicone, and urine all in one place.
All right, fade to black. No, that's a nice tease.